Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, September 27th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, right now we have a series of troughs rotating through the region that's producing variable cloud cover and isolated shower from time to time. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 40s over the far northern interior, lower to mid 50s in many of your suburbs, and upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast and in your urban areas. Winds are from the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. When we take a look at our surface map and radar, you can see a series of cold fronts and troughs rotating through the region around an upper level low that's setting up around the St. Lawrence River Valley. And that's sending these weak showers. The bulk of your rainfall is focused up towards the eastern Great Lakes. So if you have any friends and family around, let's say Syracuse, Oswego, New York, Rochester, Buffalo, they're going to be getting quite a bit of rounds of showers and thunderstorms. However, for us, it's more of a nuisance than anything else. Scattered cloud cover rotates through with some pesky showers due to some cold air aloft. When we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, I think your attention is probably drawn down to the south towards Cuba. That is Major Hurricane Ian with winds of 125 miles per hour. We'll get to Ian in just a moment. You could see by our neck of the woods, cold fronts moving through. There's our upper level low spinning about. This upper level low will have an influence on Ian by pulling it northward and starting to send it towards, especially around the Tampa Bay area, which looks like it's going to be a pretty nasty period of weather by the end of this week, right around this neck of the woods. Let's take a look at the latest satellite picture. You can see Ian moving over Cuba right now, and it really intensified over the past 24 hours, which was warned by a variety of sources, including my own, with our hurricane going from a Category 1 hurricane to a Category 3 hurricane, and it looks like it's pretty much maintaining its strength while moving over Cuba, and will be moving over some very warm waters off the Florida coast, and that could allow this storm to intensify further before it starts making its push towards the Florida coast. So this is the forecast from the National Hurricane Center. It's currently right over Cuba. Winds of 125 miles per hour, moving to the north at 12 miles per hour. Ian will continue to lift up towards Florida, getting influenced by our upper level low around our neck of the woods. That's what's going to pull it a little bit more to the east. And it's going to make landfall on Thursday night into Friday morning. Okay, so here we are. Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Here it is making landfall around 2 a.m. Thursday, and by 2 p.m. Thursday, it's basically not moving all that much, moving onto the Florida peninsula, and then slowly moving its way up through northeastern Florida. Here's the thing here. Notice how slow it is moving. This means that this storm is going to be impacting hurricane conditions in this area with very heavy rainfall for a prolonged period of time. So if you have any friends and family in this area, get them out, because this is not going to be a good situation at all for this region. Then you notice that it lifts up into the southeast and heads towards South Carolina by the time we get to Sunday. And that takes us to our forecast. So let's dive into this forecast here. So for today, look for scattered cloud cover with a few isolated showers. Temperatures will rise into the upper 60s to lower 70s throughout the region. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover with low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with a few isolated showers. Temperatures will rise into the lower to mid 60s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. On Thursday, high pressure will build in with an isolated shower possible in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, mid 60s to lower 70s along the coast. On Friday, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies. There we have Ian lifting up through Florida, making a bend towards Georgia. Very nasty conditions along the southeast coast with some waves of heavy rainfall. We're pretty much tranquil. High pressure, clear skies, not much going on. Look for low temperatures in the upper 30s to mid 40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior and mid to upper 60s along the coast. Now, on Saturday, we'll have high pressure to the north of us and the remnants of Ian hanging out over the southeast and southern mid-Atlantic. That's going to lead to an easterly fetch taking shape over the region, and that's going to support increasing cloud cover as we get an air mass more from the Atlantic Ocean, leading to the threat for some steadier rainfall might push into southern New Jersey by the time we get into the evening hours. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior and upper 60s along the coast. Now, the key thing to remember here is that the position of Ian and the position of this high pressure system will basically dictate what to expect for Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday. With a persistent easterly wind, that's going to lead to the potential for some, at the very least, minor coastal flooding and unsettled conditions with showers rotating in from the Atlantic Ocean. This is not a dry weather pattern unless you're in Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley. And you could throw in the Poconos in there too, and the Catskills. The further south you are, the more likely you'll deal with the bad showers, and some of them will be capable of some heavier downpours. And that's going to continue to be a theme all the way on through Monday. Temperatures through the period will range from the mid 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid 60s to lower 70s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. Then on Tuesday, what's left of Ian as a weak extratropical low will be passing through the region with a few scattered showers. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s in the suburbs, and lower to mid 50s in the urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.